Hi students, welcome to this session. Today I am going to teach trigonometric identities. So students, first of all, let us know what is an identity. What is an identity? An equation is said to be an identity if it is true for all values of the variables which are occurred in the equation. For example, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is an algebraic identity. This is true for all values of a and b, or all values of a and b. So this is called an identity. So similarly, what is a trigonometric identity? So an equation is involving trigonometric ratios which is true for all values of the angle occurred in the equation. So that is called as trigonometric identity. So now let us discuss some trigonometric identities. Students, here the first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Let us discuss the proof of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Students, here angle XAY is an acute angle and A so is theta, and draw a perpendicular PM to ray AX. Okay, P is any point on the ray AY. So here AM is equal to X, PM is equal to Y, and AB is equal to R. So children, in the right triangle APM, in right triangle APM, we know sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. So that is equal to PM by AP, that is equal to Y by R. And cos theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. So that is AM by AP. So but AM is equal to X and AP is equal to R. And tan theta is equal to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. So that is equal to PM by AM. So that is equal to Y by X. And the fourth one is equal to cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by, so AP by opposite side to theta PM, that is equal to R by Y. And secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by, that is AP by adjacent side to theta AM. So that is equal to R by X. And the sixth one, cotangent theta or cotangent theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta, that is equal to AM by PM, that is equal to X by Y. We know already the trigonometric ratios. Now children, coming to this proof of the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So in the right triangle APM, by Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. So here by Pythagoras theorem, here the hypotenuse is the AB. So AB square is equal to AM square plus PM square. So children, the right angle APM by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to PM square AM square plus PM square. That is, AB means R square is equal to AM means X square plus PM square means Y square. So R square is equal to X square plus Y square. This is number 1. So children, take sin square theta plus cos square theta. Take sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here sin theta is equal to y by r. Sin theta is equal to y by r. And cos theta is equal to x by r. So here y by r whole square plus cos square theta means cos theta whole square, x by r whole square. So that is equal to y square by r square plus x square by r square. So now that is equal to y square plus x square by r square. But from 1, x square plus y square is equal to r square. So that is equal to r square by r square is equal to 1. Since from 1. So here, so therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is the proof of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, where 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 90 degrees. So this is the proof of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now second trigonometric identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Second identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Now take secant square theta less, take LHS, 1 plus tan square theta. So that is equal to 1 plus, so tan theta is equal to y by x. So y by x whole square, that is equal to 1 plus y square by x square. Now taking x square into 1, x square plus y square by x square. Clear? So, but from 1, x square plus y square is equal to r square. So that is equal to r square by x square, since from 1. Clear? Now that is equal to r square by x square means r by x whole square. But r by x is equal to, here r by x is equal to secant theta. R by x is equal to secant theta. So that is equal to secant theta whole square. So therefore 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. This is the second identity. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. It is also can be written as or secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this is the proof of 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So student, the third identity is 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta, or cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So let us discuss the proof of the 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Now take LHS. So children, take LHS. 1 plus cot square theta. So 1 plus cot theta means cot theta is equal to x by y. So x by y whole square, that is equal to 1 plus x square by y square. Now y square into 1, so y square plus x square by y square. But from 1, x square plus y square is equal to r square. So that is equal to r square by y square. So that is equal to r by y whole square. Now coming to here, r by y is equal to cosecant theta. R by y is equal to cosecant theta. Therefore, that is equal to cosecant square theta. So therefore 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta, or cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, or cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this is the proof of third trigonometric identity. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Thank you.